Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, QQQ, Meta, Microsoft, Google, Apple, MULN, COSM, LOCL, EPIX, TDOC, and RUM. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation by sell or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also, to get in on our plays early, make sure you go click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or click on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. Sign up. You can sign. Works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For U.S. and Canada, be 1 plus area coded number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you can also click the link to download the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. This ebook talks about a lot of the strategies that I cover in my videos. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, SPY, QQQ, choppy day. There is a, considering the negative news from Microsoft, Google, the market is holding up pretty, very, very well above 380 here. For me, I have no position. I'm not playing. I have no options trades on in SPY or QQQ. Meta is getting absolutely destroyed in the after hours. Closed at 129.82, bidding 104. This transition to the metaverse, everyone's questioning it. They sort of just stuck at Facebook. But I will be looking at building a position in Meta. I think it's getting to the point now where it's too cheap. It's undervalued. Be watching the price action tomorrow. Not sure if I'm going to initiate tomorrow yet or not. We'll be assessing it as the day plays out. Microsoft down 7%, Google down 9%. This, when you're seeing these types of moves in big cap tech, it doesn't give you a lot of confidence about the overall strength of the market. Right now, Apple is the one that's holding up the SPY and the QQQ like it always has been. It's been, has the largest market cap, over 2.4 trillion, and as Apple goes, so does the SPY and QQQ. So as long as it's got a bid in the SPY and QQQ will hold up here. So we'll be watching Apple for further indications as to where the overall market is going. But right now, there's a lot of opportunities. Not a lot, but there's still opportunities in small caps, penny stocks, particularly on the NASDAQ. OTC, I am really not liking the action on the OTC right now. I'm strictly focused on the NASDAQ at NYSE and pennies. First up is MULN, MULN. Caught this one last week for subscribers at 22 cents. Been talking about it on this channel. Ran all the way to 61 cents yesterday, sold off, but we firmed up above here, above 50 cents. I took another little flyer on MULN today, so I am in MULN here after trading it well. Today's price action again gave me confidence that I think we're going to head higher. MULN, there's just been an absolutely new PR dropping every day. You still have 18% of the float is short. What can't go lower must go higher. With the stock holding up here, I think we're still going to get that short squeeze that we're all looking for. Moving on, next up is COSM. This one got absolutely shellacked this month, but we are now looked to have bottom. We're making another climb up. We're up 27% today. But what's really interesting about COSM is the CEO on October 20th, he bought 12.5 million shares at 12 cents. He put $1.5 million of his own money on the line. So this is a major insider buy, sign of confidence in the company. There's just an 18 million share float, just a $3 million market cap. We're extremely cheap down here. I think there's a lot more upside here in COSM. If you're not already have this on your watch list, I highly recommend getting this on your watch list, COSM. Next up is LOCL. Nice price action here. Big news is that the billionaire founder of Charles Schwab Brokerage, Charles R. Schwab, he made another insider buy at $2.50. He bought 3 million shares. He's got over 11 million shares. He's a 10% owner. This company grows fresh greens and herbs in the United States. It produces lettuce, herbs, and loose leaf lettuce. The company sells products to food retailers and food service distributors. It is headquarters in Montana. So again, organic farming, fresh greens, certainly is a hot sector with the Hollywood crowd. People definitely do want to be eating healthier. So, you know, if you look here at the price range, 52-week range, $2.22 to $12.87. We're coming off the lows here. Analysts have a $10 overall target price of $10 average. Lot to like with this play. Sales are growing, share count remaining stable. Certainly, again, he's putting his money where his mouth is, literally, in terms of eating greens. But Charles R. Schwab is certainly someone to pay attention to. His last buy was back in January. He bought 19,000 shares at $7.23. So he's making a major buy here at $2.50. Certainly something to pay attention to. Next up is EPIX, interesting play here. We got news out this morning. The company at 7 a.m. updated results from the phase 1/2 study of ESA's lead candidate EPI-7386 in combination with whatever. I'm not a biotech expert. I don't know the lingo, but I do know charts. So this one was bidding at up in the pre-market, nice volume, closed in the pre-market at 209. This was the opening range here. I used the 15-minute, so I'm going to go over here. If you look at the 15-minute opening range here, this one was opened at 205. That was the low of the day, got as high as 232, and then broke out of that opening range at 232, and we trended higher all day. So this is how I played EPIX. This was the big winner for me today. But if you're wanting to know how to trade this opening range, this is what I do. So I look in the pre-market, what's running, and the key is looking for that big volume. I've talked about this last week in the channel on how to find runners. Case in point is SINT. This was another big action in the pre-market. Had news this morning. They awarded a multi-year DARPA contract to develop CMCs and high-temperature coatings. Came out at 9 a.m. Big volume, big action in the pre-market. But here's the opening range. So it opened at 13.60, got as high as 15 cents. In that second 15-minute bar, it never got above the 15 cent, and it sold off all the way down to 11 cents all day. So by following the opening range, it kept you from buying SINT, and it got you in EPIX today. So again, you know, I'm not going to say it works all the time. The markets are the markets. They're volatile. You know, not everything works, but this is the highest probability trading setup that I have ever used. It's what I still use to this day. I love it. It's what I follow. It keeps me out of a lot of plays, but when it does that, it keeps me out of a lot of trouble as well. So again, I'm looking for the highest probability setups, and that's what we do here at insiderfinancial.com. So, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, sign up with your email and your mobile. And guys, it's completely free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. We run no Discord rooms, no Telegram rooms. We only run our email and our text message. And text message are the fastest and easiest ways to get our alerts. Today we had some problems with our email service, but everyone still got the text messaging on our alert. So congrats to text messaging signups that made money today. Next up for 2 plays tomorrow is TDOC. TDOC had great earnings after the bell. They are reducing their losses. This one has been absolutely killed this year, down 82% year off the 52-week highs. Year to date, down 70%. Close at 26.74. Expecting some moves in this one tomorrow. We got 20% of the float is short. Had good earnings after hours. TDOC is one to have on your radar screen for tomorrow. Lastly, guys, is Rumble, RUM. This one here has been a great trader, very volatile. We hit the trend line support here, just under $8. We're getting a nice bounce up to 10. Let's see tomorrow if we can see continuation on Rumble, but this is certainly one, I've talked about this one on the channel, a great one to be buying the dip on. With that being said, we do have a special alert for subscribers in the pre-market. Make sure you click that link in the description. We really like this play. There's only 8 million in the float. Insiders own 55% of the company. Been researching this one all week, so we'll be sending out that full report in the pre-market to subscribers so that you can do your due diligence. Again, sign up with your email and make sure you sign up with mobile. This way you guarantee you do not miss any of our alerts. With that being said, want to wish everyone good luck tomorrow. Let's make some money, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell with a new video update. Have a great day, great night, and a great trading day tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.